Mama says slow down, boy, don't burn it fast. Good things grow deep, not built to blast. Life ain't a race, it's a long dirt road. You carry the weight, you lighten the load. Bills on the table, dreams on the shelf. Learning real quick how to trust yourself. Every scar's a lesson, every fall's a rep. You don't climb the mountain in a one damn step. I've been down, I've been stuck, I've leaned hard on faith and luck. Ain't no shortcut worth the wreck. Just breathe it in, count the steps. Day by day, step by step. Ain't there yet, but I ain't done yet. Patience is a virtue, yeah, I learned that truth. Time builds strength if you let it move. Brick by brick, breath by breath, I'm building my way through the mess. No rush, no regret. Day by day, step by step. Watch too many burn it all too quick. Chasing fast highs that don't ever stick. I've learned slow fire lasts the longest. Quiet faith ends up the strongest. Some days you crawl, some days you climb, some days you just survive the time. But the road keeps moving if you don't quit. Progress ain't loud, but it's legit. Every mile ain't meant to shine. Some just teach you how to grind. Trust the work, trust the sweat. Ain't done yet, ain't done yet. Day by day, step by step. Still stand, still taking bets. Patience is a virtue, hell I paid my dues. Learn you can't force what's meant for you. Heart held steady, boots in the dirt. Faith in the climb, hands in the work. No rush, no regret. Day by day, step by step. It's meant to be mine, it'll show up on time. I ain't chasing smoke, I ain't rushing grace. I'll meet my future at I pace, step by step. Every breath is a progress check. Patience is a virtue carved in my chest. Time and faith do the rest. If I fall, I reset. Get back up, don't forget. This life's built slow and built correct. Day by day, step by step. So I'll keep walking, no need to sprint. Every step leaves a fingerprint. Patience ain't passive, it's strength you protect. Day by day, step by step.